Hey Amazon sellers, welcome to today's video. Suppose you have launched your amazing product on Amazon, but people aren't buying your product because of the trust issue. Now, how do you build credibility and get the trust of your customers? And how do you gain all the important initial reviews that will give your customer confidence to buy your product? That's where Amazon Band comes in. This is Anis from Ecomclips. Today I am going to share everything that you need to know about Vine program and how to get the initial reviews for your Amazon products. So stay tuned. So what exactly is Amazon Vine? Well, it's an exclusive Amazon program that allows sellers like you to receive genuine and unbiased reviews from a special group of Amazon customers known as Vine Voices. These Vine Voices are handpicked by Amazon, so you know you are getting feedback from trusted reviewers. But here's the best part. Amazon Vine completely changed the review system. It's all about gathering honest and impartial product reviews that shoppers can rely on. So the old days of getting fake and biased reviews are gone. Now you might be wondering how this program works. It's pretty simple. Once you enroll, one of the Vine Voices may choose to review your product. And here's the interesting part. You provide the product to them for free. Yep, that's right. In exchange for an honest review, you give them your awesome product to try out. But Amazon is smart about it. In the first 28 days, they show your product to a targeted group of Vine Voices who are interested in your product category. That means you are getting reviews from people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Now I know you are eager to get those reviews, so let me break it down for you. Within 24 hours of enrolling, Vine reviewers can request your product. Once the request is made, it takes around 1 or 2 days to ship the product to the reviewer. They will then take their time to analyze and use the product before writing a thorough review. But remember, there's no strict deadline for reviewers to complete their reviews. So it might vary from case to case, but rest assured, these Vine reviews are the real deal, genuine and trustworthy. You might even get a mix of positive and negative reviews because everyone's got their own opinions. Now, let's talk about the amazing benefits of the Vine program. First, Amazon Vine allows you to generate up to 30 reviews quickly for your newly launched products. And you know what that means? More reviews equal more visibility and credibility among potential customers. It's like a boost to your product reputation. And here's the best part. These Vine Voices, handpicked by Amazon based on their reviewer rank, offer detailed and unbiased reviews. Their feedback carries more weight compared to regular customer reviews. So you are building trust with your customers right from the start. Oh, did I mention that participating in Amazon Vine is absolutely free? Yes, you heard that right. But don't be that happy, because the free enrollment can be changed anytime as like before. So you better have a check before enrolling the program. Not only do Vine reviews help you gain valuable insights to improve your product features and meet customer expectations, but they also help you address any shortcomings. So you are constantly learning and growing. Now hold on a second. Before you jump into the Vine program, let's talk about the eligibility criteria. After all, we want to make sure you are eligible, right? First thing first, your product should already be launched. So if you are still in the development phase, hold tight and get that product out there before diving into Vine. You will also need a brand registry for a specific brand you want to enroll. And your products should be available in Amazon warehouse in new condition. And here's a tip. Make sure you have viable FB offer. That's a key requirement for participating in the Vine program. Now, when it comes to the number of reviews, your product should have fewer than 30 reviews already. So, if you have got 20 reviews, you can receive a maximum of 10 additional reviews through Amazon Vine. It's all about maintaining that balance. Some more tips. Make sure your product detail page has a clear image and description. After all, we want to provide our Vine reviewers with all the necessary information, right? Now, there's just one important thing to note. Adult and bulky products are not eligible for the Vine program. Now remember, meeting all the criteria doesn't guarantee Amazon Vine program participation. Amazon reviews applications on a case-by-case basis, so your application will be evaluated thoroughly. Now that you know all about the program, eligibility and advantages, you're probably wondering about the cost, right? We have already mentioned it. The Vine program is currently free of cost. Amazon is running a promotional period where you don't have to pay a single cent to enroll your items. But keep an eye on the news section for updates because the duration of the promotion isn't defined yet. Before we wrap up, let's quickly touch on a few cons of the Vine program. But don't worry, they are quite minor. First, there's a review cap limitation. You can receive a maximum of 30 reviews. So, if you already have 25 reviews, you will only get 5 additional reviews through Vine. Second, providing free products for Vine reviewers can involve a cost. So keep that in mind as you plan your budget. And lastly, you won't have control over the reviews provided by the Vine voices. So there's a chance that negative reviews might impact your marketing objectives. But it's all about embracing feedback and continuously improving your product. If you are interested in enrolling Amazon Vine, don't forget to check the I button to watch our enrollment process video. So that's all for today. If you still have any questions or confusion, don't hesitate to drop a comment or email us at info@ecomclips.com. We are here to help. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate you to subscribe to our channel Ecomclips. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it on social media. And make sure you press that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for joining with us until the end of the video. We will be back soon with another exciting topic. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Till then, stay safe, keep selling, and we will catch you next time.